Hello students, I am Rajiv Ghosal and I will teach you Python from scratch. So let's get started. What is Python? In programming language, Python is not a snake, rather it is a general purpose programming language. There are many general purpose programming languages such as Java, C++, Rust, which can serve the same purpose. But why learning Python? First of all, Python is very much easier to learn than other languages. If you have learned Java or C++, you will observe Python code is concise and have less syntax. It is also a high-level language. That means each and every words you will use in Python is from English language and have same meaning. It is also an open source language. That means you don't have to pay any money to use Python. If you are working on a project and you can implement some feature of your project more efficiently using other languages than using Python, then you don't have to do the whole project in other language, as you can integrate codes from other language in Python. You can also integrate Python codes in other language. That is what extensible and embeddable means. One of the major advantages of Python is having a lot of libraries that helps developer to develop programs very easily and reduce development time. Another advantage is widespread community that helps any beginner to learn Python easily, and if anybody stuck anywhere, there's a large probability that he will get a solution in a very less time. Now, where you will use Python if you want to implement artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python is your go-to language. Because of abundance of libraries and frameworks, Python really helps to implement artificial intelligence and machine learning very easily. Nowadays, data scientists and data analytics are two of the hottest career topics right now. If you want to pursue your career as data scientist and data analytics, Python is your go-to language as Python provides suitable environment. Python provides a lot of libraries such as Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas to collect useful data and to analyze that data. You can use NumPy and Pandas that are great for exploring and playing with data. You can also use Matplotlib to visualize that data and to analyze that data. You can build great softwares, web apps, games easily in Python. You can use Django to build websites rapidly. There's a library Pygame to build game easily. Python offers enhanced process control capabilities and can be used to develop complex multi-protocol applications, thus helps to build scalable and secure applications. You can use Python for scientific computing. There is an ecosystem known as MATLAB, which really makes scientific computation easy, but you have to pay to use MATLAB. If you use NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib and use these libraries in right way, you can replace MATLAB with Python. You can see the rank of Python. It is in top 3. That's how popular Python is. This is a data chart which shows how much a programmer earns. You can see Python developers earn most, and most of the job openings are also available in Python. That's why this is the right time to learn Python.